Ever wondered why some men naturally draw women in, even without being the most handsome or successful? What's their magic touch? In this video, I'll uncover 9 potent social skills that make women find you irresistible. These aren't empty promises. They are tried and true methods that will transform your interactions with women. Stick with me until the end for a bonus tip that's often overlooked but incredibly powerful. If you're ready to change your life, type "I'm all in the comments and stay tuned. The power of social skills in attraction. Today, we're diving into the essentials of attracting women and building meaningful connections. We're going beyond superficial traits like looks or the standard confidence advice. We'll explore practical skills rooted in Stoic principles which have endured for centuries. While Stoicism might sound old-fashioned, its core idea of controlling what you can and remaining calm and composed is highly relevant today. Women appreciate a man who stays grounded and knows himself. These 9 skills, plus the bonus at the end, will set you apart from the rest. Skill 1. Mastering the art of listening, the foundation of connection. Listening is not just about hearing words, it's about truly understanding and responding to the underlying emotions and thoughts. When you listen attentively, you convey respect, empathy, and genuine interest in the other person. Women are particularly attuned to how well you listen because it reflects your ability to understand and connect on a deeper level. Start by giving your full attention when she's speaking. Put away distractions like your phone or the TV and focus on her. Maintain eye contact, nod, and give verbal affirmations to show that you're engaged. Active listening involves more than just hearing words. It's about picking up on non-verbal cues such as tone, body language, and facial expressions. These subtleties can reveal what she's truly feeling and thinking. Ask open-ended questions that encourage her to share more about herself. Instead of asking yes or no questions, try to delve deeper with questions like, "How did that make you feel?" or "What do you think about that?" This shows that you're interested in her perspective and value her opinions. Reflect on what she says and provide thoughtful responses. Paraphrase her words to ensure you've understood correctly and to show that you're paying attention. For example, if she's talking about a stressful day at work, you might say, "It sounds like today was really challenging for you." This not only validates her feelings, but also opens the door for further conversation. Listening also involves empathy. Try to put yourself in her shoes and understand her emotions. If she's upset, acknowledge her feelings and offer comfort. Sometimes she might just need someone to vent to, and offering solutions might not be what she's looking for. Show that you're there for her by being patient and supportive. Lastly, remember that listening is a skill that requires practice and patience. It's about creating a safe space where she feels comfortable sharing her thoughts and feelings without judgment. By mastering the art of listening, you lay a strong foundation for a meaningful and lasting connection. Skill 2. Exhibiting genuine confidence, the silent magnetism. Confidence is often cited as an attractive quality, but true confidence goes beyond a mere display of bravado. It's about having a deep-seated assurance in who you are, which doesn't require external validation. Women are naturally drawn to men who exhibit this kind of quiet self-assurance because it suggests stability, maturity, and reliability. Genuine confidence is not about dominating the conversation or constantly showcasing your achievements. It's about being comfortable in your own skin, accepting your flaws, and not feeling threatened by others. When you're truly confident, you don't need to put others down or boast about your accomplishments to feel good about yourself. Instead, you uplift those around you, making them feel valued and appreciated. Building genuine confidence requires self-awareness and mindfulness. Take time to understand your strengths and weaknesses and work on self-improvement without comparing yourself to others. Confidence comes from a place of inner peace and acceptance. When you walk into a room, your posture, demeanor, and how you carry yourself speak volumes before you even say a word. This silent magnetism captures attention and makes women curious to know more about you. Moreover, confidence is also about handling failures and setbacks with grace. Show that you can stay composed under pressure and learn from your experiences. This kind of resilience is highly attractive because it demonstrates that you can handle life's challenges without falling apart. It assures her that you can be a strong and dependable partner. Skill 3. Displaying emotional intelligence, connecting on a deeper level. Emotional intelligence, EI, is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage your own emotions while also being attuned to the emotions of others. In relationships, EI is crucial for creating and maintaining deep connections because it allows for better communication, empathy, and conflict resolution. Women highly value men who can read and respond to emotional cues. This means being aware of her moods, understanding her feelings, and reacting appropriately. It's not about solving all her problems, but being there to listen and offer support when needed. For example, if she's had a tough day, sometimes all she needs is a shoulder to lean on and someone who listens without judgment. Show empathy by acknowledging her feelings and offering comfort. Practicing emotional intelligence starts with self-awareness. Understand your own emotions and how they affect your behavior. By managing your emotions effectively, you can stay calm under pressure and handle conflicts maturely. This kind of emotional stability is highly attractive and fosters a sense of trust and safety in a relationship. Empathy is a core component of EI. Try to see things from her perspective and validate her feelings. When she shares something personal or difficult, show that you understand by saying things like, "That must have been really hard for you," or "I can see why you feel that way." This shows that you're genuinely concerned about her well-being. Additionally, being emotionally intelligent means being a good communicator. Express your feelings openly and honestly, and encourage her to do the same. Create an environment where both of you can share your thoughts and emotions without fear of judgment. This open communication strengthens the bond between you and helps prevent misunderstandings and conflicts. By displaying emotional intelligence, you demonstrate that you're not just interested in her physically, but also emotionally and mentally. This deepens the connection and creates a strong foundation for a lasting relationship. Skill 4. Demonstrating ambition and passion. The drive that inspires ambition and passion are incredibly attractive traits because they indicate that you have goals, dreams, and a purpose in life. Women are drawn to men who are driven and have a clear sense of direction. It's not about the status or the money, but the dedication and enthusiasm you bring to your pursuits. When you talk about your passions and ambitions, let your enthusiasm shine through. Share your journey, the challenges you've faced, and the achievements you're proud of. This not only makes you more interesting, but also inspires her and shows her that you're someone who strives for growth and excellence. However, balance is key. While ambition is attractive, being overly consumed by your goals can make her feel neglected. Show her that while you're committed to your dreams, you're also dedicated to nurturing your relationship and valuing her presence in your life. For example, make time to listen to her dreams and support her ambitions. Encourage her to pursue her goals and be her biggest cheerleader. This mutual support strengthens your relationship and makes her feel valued and appreciated. In addition, demonstrate your ambition through your actions. Set goals and work diligently to achieve them. Show that you're proactive and willing to put in the effort to succeed. This kind of dedication and perseverance is inspiring and makes you more attractive. Lastly, remember that passion is not just about career goals. It's also about having a zest for life and enjoying the things you love. Whether it's a hobby, a sport, or a cause you care about, let your passion be evident. Share these interests with her and invite her to be part of them. This not only brings you closer, but also shows her that you're a well-rounded and enthusiastic person. By demonstrating ambition and passion, you show that you have a vision for your future and the drive to make it happen. This kind of determination and enthusiasm is incredibly appealing and inspires those around you. Skill 5. Practicing kindness and generosity, the heart of attraction. Kindness and generosity are timeless traits that never go out of style. Genuine acts of kindness and thoughtfulness create a positive impression and make you more attractive. It's about the little things, holding the door open, offering your jacket when she's cold, or remembering her favorite coffee order. These small acts show that you're considerate and attentive, which is incredibly appealing. Generosity extends beyond material things. It's also about being generous with your time, attention, and affection. Show her that you value her and are willing to go the extra mile to make her feel special. Skill 6. Honing your sense of humor, the joyful connection. A good sense of humor is an incredibly attractive quality because it brings joy, lightens the mood, and creates a positive atmosphere. Women appreciate men who can make them laugh and see the lighter side of life. Humor is not just about telling jokes. It's about sharing moments of laughter, finding humor in everyday situations, and not taking life too seriously. To hone your sense of humor, start by being playful and light-hearted. Don't be afraid to tease her gently or make fun of yourself. Self-deprecating humor can be charming because it shows that you don't take yourself too seriously and are comfortable with your imperfections. However, be mindful not to cross the line into hurtful or offensive jokes. The goal is to make her feel good, not uncomfortable. Pay attention to her sense of humor and what makes her laugh. Everyone has a different comedic taste, so understanding what she finds funny can help you connect on a deeper level. Share funny stories, movies, or memes that you think she would enjoy. This not only makes her laugh, but also shows that you're thinking about her and want to bring happiness into her life. Humor can also be a great tool for diffusing tension and resolving conflicts. A well-timed joke or a bit of playful banter can ease a stressful situation and make it easier to address serious issues. It shows that you can handle challenges with a positive attitude and resilience. In addition, humor helps to create memorable experiences. When you share a laugh, you create a bond and a shared memory that strengthens your connection. These joyful moments become the glue that holds the relationship together, even during tough times. Remember, humor is a skill that can be developed with practice. Watch comedians, read funny books, and surround yourself with people who have a good sense of humor. The more you immerse yourself in humor, the better you'll become at making others laugh. By honing your sense of humor, you bring joy and positivity into her life. This not only makes you more attractive, but also creates a joyful connection that deepens your bond and makes your relationship more enjoyable. Skill 7. Displaying authenticity, the real you. Authenticity is about being genuine and true to yourself. Women are highly perceptive and can easily detect when someone is being fake or putting on a facade. Authenticity is attractive because it shows that you're confident in who you are and are not afraid to show your true self. Being authentic means being honest and transparent about your feelings, thoughts, and intentions. Don't try to be someone you're not just to impress her. Instead, embrace your unique qualities and let them shine. Share your passions, interests, and even your vulnerabilities. This openness fosters trust and creates a deeper connection. Authenticity also involves being consistent in your actions and words. Show her that you mean what you say and that you're reliable. This consistency builds trust and reassures her that you're a dependable partner. Moreover, being authentic means respecting her for who she is and not trying to change her. Accept her quirks, flaws, and differences, and appreciate her for the unique person she is. This kind of unconditional acceptance is deeply attractive and makes her feel valued and respected. Authenticity also requires self-awareness and reflection. Understand your values, beliefs, and what's important to you. Live in alignment with these principles and let them guide your actions. This kind of integrity is highly attractive because it shows that you have a strong sense of self and are guided by your inner compass. Skill 8. Cultivating patience, the virtue of understanding. Patience is a virtue that is highly attractive because it shows that you're understanding, considerate, and willing to invest time and effort into the relationship. Women value men who are patient because it indicates emotional maturity and stability. Cultivating patience starts with being calm and composed in challenging situations. When conflicts arise, take a step back, breathe, and approach the situation with a level head. This kind of composed response shows that you can handle stress without losing your temper, and that you're committed to resolving issues peacefully. Patience also involves giving her the time and space she needs. Respect her pace and don't rush her into making decisions or commitments. Whether it's taking the next step in the relationship or dealing with personal issues, show that you're there to support her and that you respect her timeline. Skill 9. Expressing gratitude, the appreciation that strengthens bonds. Expressing gratitude is a powerful way to enhance your attractiveness and deepen your connection with women. Gratitude involves acknowledging and appreciating the positive aspects of your life and the people around you. Women are drawn to men who are grateful because it shows that you're positive, appreciative, and value the relationship. Start by regularly expressing your gratitude to her. Let her know how much you appreciate her presence in your life and the things she does for you. Whether it's a small gesture or a significant effort, acknowledging her contributions makes her feel valued and loved. A simple thank you or a heartfelt compliment can go a long way in making her feel appreciated. Gratitude also involves recognizing the positive qualities in her and expressing your admiration. Compliment her on her strengths, talents, and the unique qualities that make her special. This kind of positive reinforcement not only boosts her confidence, but also strengthens your bond. In addition, practice gratitude in your everyday life. Cultivate a habit of reflecting on the things you're thankful for, and share these thoughts with her. This positive outlook on life is infectious and creates a joyful and uplifting environment in your relationship. Incorporating these 9 skills into your interactions can significantly enhance your attractiveness and deepen your connections with women. By mastering the art of listening, exhibiting genuine confidence, displaying emotional intelligence, demonstrating ambition and passion, practicing kindness and generosity, honing your sense of humor, displaying authenticity, cultivating patience, and expressing gratitude, you create a compelling presence that draws women towards you. Remember, true attraction goes beyond physical appearance. It's about who you are as a person and how you make others feel. Cultivate these skills with sincerity and consistency, and you'll not only attract the right partner, but also build a relationship based on mutual respect, understanding, and love. By embodying these qualities, you create a strong foundation for a meaningful and lasting connection.